Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to see about the free method of Facebook spying, of how to spy on your Facebook competitors, or how to find best performing ads using Facebook own tool. And it's a free method, completely free, but it can save you money and time on how before going out from scratch on creating Facebook ads. You can get inspiration for your ads. So how to find best performing ads, how to find for free. So for that there is a special tool used by inbuilt inside Facebook only. Earlier it was directly on the Facebook pages, you can go for info and ads, but now there is a separate site extension of Facebook, that is facebook.com/ads/library. So here all you have to do is just go to facebook.com/ads/library. Here you can find out all ads that are currently running on Facebook. It's Facebook own tool, and you can go with different countries. You can go with all countries or specific country if you want to find ads for specific country. Now the only con of this method is that you can search ads only based on Facebook pages. You cannot go with keyword search. Earlier it was there, but now you cannot search Facebook ads using this tool on keywords. You have to know the Facebook page, or you can search Facebook page and it will show you all the ads that are running on that page only. So for example, let's say I know some of the basic keywords for ads, so I'll go with that. So let's go with healthy. And here you can, when you search, there are many pages that appears on itself, and you can select any one of them and you can see all the ads that are currently running from here. So let's say, so we selected this, as we searched healthy, we selected this, and here you can see different ads that are currently running on the platform. You can find it out, which are active, which are started running, from where it has been running, the page name, the ad creative. This is the ad creative. Here you can find out the ad copy. You can find out their headlines. You can find out different variations where they are running this ad. So you can easily find out different ads that are run by different pages. The only problem with this method, as it is a free method, there are some it's not fully usable. It's the only cons of this is that one, it is not based on keywords, so you can not search based on keywords. Let's say you want to find ads which are running for car dealership. You cannot go for every ad that is running for car dealership. You can search car and then you'll get different pages. You can go on their on those pages, and then you can find various ads that have been running on them. So let's say Ford, let's go with Ford. Ford Mustang. So we can go with Ford, and it is not running currently any ads. You have to go by one on different pages, and you have to find out. And another problem with this method is the different filters. There are only, you have to go with filters one by one. So let's select one first. Let's go with Bluehost. It's a site, it's an web hosting service. It might be running any ads. So you can see here it is the page, and it might be running ads. So here you can see many ads that are being run. So it is good to spy on your competitors if you know the Facebook page that they're running from. Now many times, another con of it is that many times in order to stop people spying directly using this ad tool, many of the business owners, what they do is they have two different separate pages. One page for running ads, and a separate page as a branding page, so that people who might not find what kind of ads they are running. So these are some of the limitation of this tool, but come on, it is free, so you can use it, but you can spy on different ads. Apart from that, another limitation of this is you have to take every filter one by one. So let's say you want to find out which ads they're running in America, which ads they're running in Belgium. You have to select country by itself, so you can find out the ads that they're running in Belgium, the ads that they're running in Finland, Germany. You have to separate it by itself. all the countries. You cannot go with like different combinations of countries. You have to go one by one. You have to go with active, inactive, impressions by date, and platform. Apart from that, you cannot judge whether the ad is performing good or not because they don't show you the likes, the dislikes, or what are the engagement. So these are some of the limitation of this method, but with permutation, combination, with going with different variations and searching different thing, like we can go with web hosting, and we can find different, if you are in a web hosting niche, you can find out different pages. You can go more results and you can find out different pages and then select them and find if they're a country. Now it's all trial and error, and you can find. So but if you know the page that you want to spy, if you know, so for example, if you know the product, the company, your competitor whom you want to spy, you can directly write their name, as we read in Bluehost hosting, because I promote their products, so I knew about them, so I read their name, I found out their page, and I can see all the ads that they are running currently. So this is the free method, and you can use many combinations, you can use many pages. It is somewhat time consuming, but compared to the time it saves and the money that it saves in finding your best performing ads, best performing videos, images, and ad creative, it is still worth it. It is still best. Also, there's one thing, if you want to, so let's go with Bluehost only again to show you something else. So let's say we go to Bluehost, and let's say we want to download this image. So what you can do is right click on it and Control S, and then you can save this video. So let's say I go with spy, and then I can go with Bluehost video, and I can save it. So if I want, I can download this creative. If you want it as an example, if you wanted to give your creator had to create a different variation, you can download these and send them out. They can use different clips to create your ads. You can copy this ad, create this ad copy for yourself and the headline. So this is the beauty of this tool. It is free. I will leave the link of the site in the description of the course, where you can find it and you can go and try out your own ways. All you need is, you can search by the name of the page, or if you know the page name, you can go directly, you can find out, and you can see if they're running any ads or not. Now many times it might happen that the page that you know, they might not be running ads from there, but they might be running ads from a different page that is not publicly available, known, but they're running ads on that page. So it is a possibility, but you have to spend time on this tool and find out the best possible combinations. In the next lecture, we are going to go with the paid method, but it is a very cheap method, but it's a very cheap paid method tool which you can use to find out competitors' ads. But I can tell you, when I'll show you that tool, you'll be amazed by the various combinations, various searches that it gives out. So in the next lecture, we'll go with that paid tool and I'll show you the example of it. Thank you.